Hi, this is Michael Sandler with Fisher-Sandler answering your questions about bankruptcy. A lot of people have been searching on Google lately, wondering if they need to worry about creditors suing them if they don't have employment. So, in other words, maybe they're between jobs, a homemaker, just collecting Social Security or disability. And it's a little bit of a complicated answer. Um, if you don't have to worry about your job um, paycheck being garnished, then really no, you don't need to worry about a creditor getting a judgment against you. But if you're between jobs and you're going to have a job, then eventually they may track down that employer and start garnishing 25% of your pay. But paychecks are not the only things that are garnished. Creditors can also garnish your bank account. So even though your Social Security funds might be exempt, or your military disability pay might be exempt, that doesn't necessarily stop the creditor from freezing your account and having the money sent to the court. And then you have to take the day and show up in court and present evidence to the judge that the funds are exempt so that they can be turned back over to you. And in the meantime, your funds have been frozen for 1 or 2 or 3 months. And how are you making your car payment? And how are you paying your rent? It can be a big problem, even if the creditor isn't entitled to the money. There's also the fact that if a creditor gets frustrated because they're not getting any money through a garnishment, either payroll or bank account, they can also drag you into court in what's called debtor interrogatories, which means you have to show up in court, provide tax returns, bank statements, and answer detailed questions about your assets, because maybe you have a 10-year-old car that's paid off. The creditor can sell it. They can have a sheriff go and tag all the items in your home and auction them off. These kinds of things are very rare, but it is possible to happen. So if you are unable to pay your debt or otherwise can't work out something with your creditors, bankruptcy should be an option that you should consider, even if you're not necessarily worried about a pay garnishment. If you have any questions about your particular situation, please give us a call or shoot us an email. Hi, this is Michael Sandler with Fisher-Sandler answering your quick bankruptcy questions with quick answers. So one question that comes up from time to time is people want to know if bankruptcy has any kind of